No? Amen po? So, while we are alive, brothers and sisters, choose the right path. Amen? And then choose heaven. Hindi yung hell. Amen po? No? Para siguradong aakyat tayo sa langit pagdating ng araw. Amen po? Palakpakan natin si Lord sa God. Okay? Review lang para alam natin yung susunod. Brothers and sisters, our gospel for today calls for being, sinabi ni Sister Hermy kanina, being humble and a generous one. Amen? Akala mo simple table manners lang. It is like that simple table manners yung sinasabi ni Lord. But there is a new meaning. Mayroong ibang kahulugan. Amen po? I will just tell you a very short story. When I was young and growing up, as an adult, I saw how my parents worked for the family. I saw the hardships, Naiyak ako. My father is a butcher. And my mom, to help my father, she sells good in the market. She sells sugar, salt, rice, yung mga malagkit, ganun. Kung ano-ano po ang ginagawa ng aking nanay. And during weekends, they go to one place to another. Kung alam po ninyo sa Bisaya kasi yun, bulantero ba? So, ano ba yung tawag doon? Bulantero, they go from one place to another, dala-dala yung mga sako-sakong bigas, sako-sakong asin, sako-sakong asukal, Yeah. And in my young age, brothers and sisters, alam ko kumikita yung aking mga magulang. But in my mind, I don't like that kind of job. Naintindihan po ninyo ako. So one time, while helping my mom, I just imagine, kasi ako ang panganay, isinasakay ako sa jeep noon. Kasama ko yung aking kapatid si Ana. Isasakay kami sa jeep, kasama din namin kung ilang sakong bigas, ilang sakong Isasakay kami ng nanay ko kasi kilala niya yung mga driver, pupunta kami sa isang bayan. And then there, someone will take those things from us. Mayroon na siyang suki, kumbaga, So one time,